Hello, it's Simon Sutton George from Tenerife Property Group, and today we're in Parque de la Reina. It's a town just on the way from the airport towards Los Cristianos. You've probably seen it on the left hand side as you're driving on the motorway. We're going to be looking at a 3-bedroom apartment. One of the bedrooms is en suite. There's another bathroom in there as well. There's a fantastic roof terrace upstairs. So let's have a look around. So coming in from the main door here, this is the first thing that we see. These are the stairs, as I say, it's a penthouse property, top floor, and that's going up to the roof terrace. On the left hand side, we've got the kitchen here as well. So currently set out, fully fitted kitchen here. We've got washing machine and water heater as well. Outside you've got the swimming pool. We'll have a look at that in a bit. That's a gas bottle, so the cooker is actually a gas cooker. Plenty of storage, but it might not be your taste, but it's here anyway, working. So that's an important thing. So back out into where we just came from. Good sized lounge. Now, as it's a penthouse, all of the properties below a penthouse have this area here as a terrace or balcony. Because we've got a big roof terrace, they've made it extra large in the lounge. So we'll stay on this floor, straight into the sleeping area. So this is the family bed, bathroom. So you've got a bath, shower, room for a bidet. And that. Now opposite here we've got a bedroom. Now the family have moved out of this apartment, so there is no furniture here. It's blank canvas just to start off, whatever you'd want to do with it really. Next door to that bedroom we've got another bedroom of a similar size. They've got space there for wardrobes. And then back into the hallway here. This will be the main bedroom. And we've got double wardrobe there. As I say, it's en suite as well, so very handy for anyone wants their own bit of privacy. So back out here, and then we'll go up the stairs. And what they've done, a bit of storage here on the right hand side, and then outside, this would have all been terraced, but they've covered over some of it here. Could be used as a temporary bedroom. It's all legal, it's been here for a long time, and you'll see a lot of the neighbours have done a similar sort of thing as well. From this covered over area here, out onto a really good sized terrace. I think it's 84 metres squared, I think. So it's a good sized terrace, and from there you can see the swimming pool, community pool there as well. There's a bit of a barbecue area. You can also see a nice view of the mountains, and in fact right the way down to Palmar down there. You can see the lighthouse down there. So as I say, you can see off of this large terrace, you can see down to the swimming pool as well. If you want more information about it, then go to tenerifepropertygroup.com, or you can email me at simonsg@tenerifepropertygroup.com. So that's me, Simon Sutton George at Tenerife Property Group. Thanks very much for watching. Bye for now.